In this video, we are going to revise comprehensive overview of Chandel, Parmar, Kalchuri, and Tomar dynasties. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for MP exam YouTube channel. So let's begin. Chandel dynasty overview. Chandel dynasty ruled Bundelkhand, Jejak Bhukti from 9th to 13th century, known for their architectural contributions like Khajuraho temple and resistance against invasion. Key rulers and events. Vidyadhar 1003 to 1029 CE succeeded his father Gand. Gand inherited a strong unified Chandel kingdom known as powerful ambitious warrior. Title Parambhattakarak Maharadhadhiraj Parameshwar, evident from Nanaura and Charkhadi inscriptions. Conflict with Mahmud of Ghazni. First invasions, battle near a river. Mahmud retreated after finding the battlefield empty the next day, claiming victory. Second invasions, 1019 CE. Inconclusive, Mahmud attacked again in 1022 CE. Vidyadhara offered 300 elephants as a tribute and praised Mahmud in Lughat-e-Hindwi poetry. Mahmud entrusted Vidyadhara with 15 forts. Cultural contributions. Constructed Kandariya Mahadev temple in Khajuraho in 11th century, known for Hindi poetry. Lughat-e-Hindwi. Conflict with Rajapal. Angered by Pratihar, ruled Rajapal's retreat against Mahmud. Vidyadhar's Kachapghat vassal killed Rajapal. Vijayapal 1030 to 1050 CE. Son and successor of Vidyadhar faced challenges from Kalchuris. Devarma 1050 to 1060 CE, defeated by Kalchuri ruler Lakshmikaran, who overthrew the Chandel dynasty temporarily. Prabodha Chandrodaya and Vikram ka Devcharita. Reference. Kirti Varma 1060 to 1100 CE restored Chandel power after defeating Kalturi Lakshmikaran with the help from Gopal. Ajaygarh inscriptions, constructions, works. Kiratsagar Lake in Mahova. Kirti Jeswar Shiva temple near Ajaygarh Lake. Kirti Giridhar, Devgarh Lalitpur. Ministers Vatsraj constructed Vatsraj Ghat in Devgarh. Visush coin modeled after defeated Kalchuri coin similar to Gangedev style. Sulakshan Varman 1100 to 1110 CE coin inscribed with Hallaksan Varman. Jayavarman 1110 to 1120 CE. Limited information available. Prithvivarman 1120 to 1128 CE issued Hanuman type coin. Madan Varma 1128 to 1165 CE expanded Chandel empire significantly. Military achievement, defeated Kalchuri rulers Gaikarn and Malwas ruler. More inscriptions, controlled Baghelkhand up to Kaimur range. Defeated Gahadwals, Chedis and Chalukyas. Construction works founded Madanpur and Madankhera and Madanesagarpur. Now Ahar built Jatara Lake, Medansagar Lake in Mahova, Khakra Math and Vishnu Temple. Yasovarman II Brief rule mentioned in Parmaridev Badeshwar inscriptions. Parmaridev 1165 to 1203 CE faced invasion by Prithviraj Chauhan and Qutbuddin Aibak. Conflict with Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj attacked Jajak Bhukti Chandel generals Ala and Udal fought bravely but were killed. Prithviraj Rasho and Parmal Rasho Alakhand. Mahova fell to Prithviraj in 1182 CE. Conflict with Qutbuddin Aibak. Aibak attacked Kalinjo. Parmaridev surrendered and was later killed by his ministers. Aibak appointed Hasan Arnal as administrator of Mahova and Khajuraho. Trailokvarman 1203 to 1245 C, successor of Parmaridev, reclaimed Kalinjo and Chandel territories by 1205 CE. Gadha and Tehri inscriptions. Gadha and Tehri inscriptions. Title Kalinjar Dipti. Veer Burma 1245 to 1285 CE maintained Chandel rule. Bhoj Burma 1285 to 1288 CE short reign. Hamir Burma 1288 to 1311 CE. Last significant Chandel rulers faced Muslim invasions. Kirat Singh. Last known Chandel ruler's daughter Durgavati married Gondwana Dalpat Singh in 1545 CE. Note: NCERT text mentions Durgavati's father as Shalvahan and Salivahan, a Chandel Rajput from Mahova. Updated from NCERT. This is clarification. Parma dynasty overview. Originated from Agnivansh legend. Ruled Malwa from 9th to 14th century. Known for cultural literacy contribution. Key rulers and events. Upendra Krishnaraj 9th century. Founder Malwa Parma dynasty appointed by Rashtrakutas king Govind III. Varsing Vajratswamy established Dhar as his capital. Udaipur Prasasti. Harshayak II 949 CE, first independent Parma king, rejected Rashtrakutas overlordship, defeated Huns and captured Manakhet, Rashtrakutas capital. Vagpati Munj, Vagpati II or Munj, 949 to 993 CE, a poet and patron of art. Navsang Charitra by Padmagupta. Title Amog verse. Sri Vallabh Prithvi Vallabh. Defeated Huns, Kalchuri Yuvraj II, and captured Tripuri. Captured and executed in 993 CE after crossing Godavari river against Chalukyas Talab II. Cultural contributions. Patronized poet like Padmagupta. Nav Sahasang Charit. Dhananjay Dasrupak. Dhanika Yasurupa Valoka. Constructed Munj Sagar Dhara. Sindhuraj avenged Munj's death by annexing Kuntala. Title Navsahasang Kumar Narayan Malvika Mrigang and Avantitilka Avantiswar. Bhoj the Great 1000 to 1055 C. Compared to Napoleon, Prabandh Chintamani and Bhoj Charit. Military achievement. Defeated Kalchuri Gangadev, Chol King Jai Singh and Lata ruler Kirtiraj. Supported Hindu Shahi Anandapal in 1008 CE. Trilojpal 1019 CE against Mahmud of Ghazni. Cultural contributions. Founded Bhojpur and Bhopal. Constructed Bhojpur Shiv Temple and Bhojpur Dam. Authored Samarangra Sutra Dhara. Architectures. Yukti Kalpataru. Saraswati Kantavaran. Grammar Sringar Praksh. Established Bhojsala Sanskrit school in Dhara. Death. Died during a combined attack by Chalukya Bhima and Kalchuri लक्ष्मीकरण. Udayaditya 1070 to 1086 CE defeated Chalukyashkaran, re-established Parmar rule, built Udaipur city and Neelkanteshwar Shiv temple. Lakshmardev 1086 to 1094 CE conquered Bengal, Ang, Kalinga and Tripuri. Nagpur inscriptions. Mahalakdev late 13th century. Last Parmar king defeated and killed Alauddin Khilji, General Anil Mulk, ending Parmar's rule. Alauddin script conquest in 1305 CE. Kalchuri dynasty overview. Emerged in the 6th century, ruled Mahismati and Tripuri, known for military campaigns and patronage of arts. Key branches: Mahismati, Dakshin Kosha, Vidarbha, Sarayupar, Kalanjar and Karnataka. Tripuri. Mahismati branch. Krishna Raj 550 to 575 C founded Mahismati as a capital. Uddara 600 to 620 C. Last known rulers defeated by Chalukyas, Mangles. Tripuri branch Kokalya first 850 to 890 CE defeated Pratihar Bhoj first Turks in Rajasthan. Married Chandel princess Natadevi. Daughter married Rashtrakutas Krishna II. Sankargarh second 890 to 910 CE. Titles Mugdhatunga and Prasiddhwala. Yuvraj Dev first 915 to 945 C. Title Parmeshwar Chakrabarti Trilingdipati. Patronized poet Rajasekhar, who wrote Vidya Salabhanjika and Kavamimamsa. Built 64 Yogini temples and Golgi Math in Bedaghat. Yuvraj Dev II 980 to 990 CE lost to Parmar Munj, who captured Tripuri. Gangedev 1015 to 1041 CE conquered Ganga Yamuna Doab of Kir Kangra, and Ang defeated Pal Mahipal first. His sword Lakshmi embossed gold coin died in Prayag near Akchavyat. Lakshmi Karna 1051 1072 C defeated Chandel Dev Verma, annexing Jajagvati, allied with Chalukya Bhim to defeat Parmar Bhoj and captured Dhar, built Karnavati city and Karnatirth Ghat in Prayag. Vijay Singh's last Kalsari rulers dynasty declined by early 13th century due to Chandel, Parmar and Gond rebellions. Updated decline confirmed. Tomar dynasty overview. Ruled Delhi and Gwalior from 8th to 16th century. Key rulers and event: Gwalior branch Veer Singh Dev 1394 to 1400 C. First independent Gwalior Tomar captured Gwalior from Delhi. Alauddin Sikandar Shah. Authored Veer Singh Avalokan and Durga Bhakti Tarangam. Veeram Dev 1402 to 1423 C. Registered Khizkan Cs 1416 C and Hosang Sahatek 1423 C. Dungrendra Singh 1425 to 1459 C. Patronized poet Vishnu Das. Pandav Charit, Ramayan and Khandav. Samta Gunidhara. Kirat Singh 1459 to 1480 C. Defeated Jaunpur's Hussain Shah Sarik. Titled Hindu Suratran. Mansingh Tomar 1486 to 1518 C. Golden era of Gwalior. Patronized music, literature and architecture. Built Man Mandir, Gujri Mahal and Rajgiri. Patronized Tansen, Baizu and Bakchu. Authored Man Kutuhal music treatise. Married Mrignani. Vikramaditya fought 1518 to 1526 CE, died in Battle of Panipat, first 1526 CE, alongside Ibrahim Lodi. Ram Singh, last Tomar rulers, died in Battle of Haldighati 1576 CE under Maharana Pratap. Kohinoor diamond, likely acquired by Tomars 1437 CE, handed to Humayun in 1526, later passed to Nadir Shah and eventually to British. Kohinoor journey verified. For revision, Chandel dynasty overruled Bundelkhand, Jajagboti 9th to 13th century, famous for Khajuraho temples, key rulers Vidyadhar 1003 to 1029 C. Defended against Mahmud of Ghazni 1022 C to 300 elephant tribute. Built Kandariya Mother temple. Dev Varma 1050 to 1060 C. Sir, overthrown by Kalchuri Lakshmikaran. Kirti Varma 1060 to 1100 C. Restored Chandel role. Built Kiras Sagar Lake. Madan Burma 1128 1165 C. Defeated Kalchuri Gaikan. Founded Madanpur, Madagascar Lake. Parmatidev 1165 to 1203 C. Lost to Prithviraj Chauhan 1182 C. Qutbuddin Aibak at Kalinjar generals Alhan Udu. Trailokya Burman 1203 to 1245 C. Reclaimed Kalinjar 1205 C. Title Kalinjar Dhipati. Kirat Singh, last ruler's daughter Durgavati, married Dalpat Singh. Parmar dynasty. Overview. Agnivanshi dynasty ruled Malwa 9 to 14th century, known for Bhos contributions. Key rulers Upendra Krishnaraj, founder of Malwa branch. Sirak II 949 C. First independent rulers captured Manyakhet. Bagpati II Munj 949 to 993 C. Patronized Padmagupta. Nav Sahasang Charit. Built Munj Sagar, killed by Chalukya Talab II. Bhos the Great 1000 to 1055 C. Architect King authored Samrangan Sutradhar. Built Bhojpur Shiva Temple, Bhojshala Sanskrit School, Bhopal. Died during Kalchuri Chalukya attack. Udayadat 1070 1086 C. Restored Parmarul. Built Nilkantheswar Temple. Mahalakdev, last ruler, defeated by Alauddin Khilji 1305 C. Kalchuri dynasty ruled Mahesmati and Tripuri, declined to 13th century Tripuri branch. Kokal first 850 to 890 C. Defeated Pratihar Bhoj first. Yuvraj Dev first 915 to 945 C. Patronized Rajsekhar. Kavya Mimamsa built Chausar Yogna temple in Bhedaghat. Gange Yadav 1015 to 1041 C. Conquered Ganga Yamuna Doab, issued Lakshmi embossed gold coin, died in Prayag. Lakshmi Karna 1041 to 1072 C. Defeated Chandel Dev Varma, allied to defeat Parmar Bhoj. Vijay Singh, last ruler dynasty, declined due to Chandel Parmar Gond rebellion. Tomar dynasty overview. Ruled in Delhi 8th to 12th century, at Gwalior 14th to 16th century. Key rulers Veer Singh Dev 1394 to 1490 C. First Gwalior Tomar, authored Veer Singh Volokan. Dugren Singh 1425 to 1459 C. Patronized Vishnu Das. Kirti Singh 1459 to 1480 C. Title Hindu Suritran. Man Singh Tomar 1486 to 1518 C. Golden era built Man Mandir Guzari Mahal for Mrignani. Authored Man Kautuhal, music tourist. Patronized Tansen Baizu. Vikramaditya 1518 to 1526. Died in Panipat first. 1526 C. Ram Singh, last rulers, died in Haldighati 1576 C. Kohinoor, acquired in 1437, handed to Humayun 1526 C. So this is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that this type of video keep reaching you. Thanks for watching.